Namaskara. My name is Dr. Shonali Chinaya.
Hello, my name is Janani. I'm the founder of a startup that focuses on clean air technologies.
Hi, this is Umesh Kumar.
I came to ParamCon 2.0 to participate in their lecture series talking specifically about microbes in water.
It was a wonderful event, coming together of like-minded people with a passion in science. So thank you, Param.
I must thank Param Foundation. I'm really impressed with this program in the sense that so many youngsters coming forward to join this profession, which is more about science popularization, more about making people aware about science.
It's been an incredible opportunity and learning experience because I got to hear a lot of other interesting speakers. And I got to participate and view all of the wonderful exhibits they have out here. I think people with kids is really worth a visit.
We have some wonderful demonstrations from Manish Jainji, who was a very iconic figure so far as science popularization is concerned from IIT Jayanagar.
Hopefully making a platform in which we can bring science to youngsters.
I hear that they're planning to set up a lot of small experience centers across Bengaluru, which is something that I think we really need. So good luck for that. I hope that's a vision that really comes to play.
Overall, it's a great show. I should say, must congratulate the entire team and the organizers. Thank you and wish you all the best.